Hi there, I'm Yvonne Decelis, coming to you today on my channel, YNergy. Just here to show you a couple, or three actually, probably really fast things you can do if you find yourself in a situation where you're panicking, feeling overwhelmed, stressed, etc. These are just really quick things you can do that will hopefully help you feel a little bit less stressed. So I really hope this helps you. And I apologize if you need this. I apologize in advance. But just to quickly show you just really quick things. First one is just crisscross your hands and lay them on your heart chakra. Take a couple of in and out breaths. Let's just do one deep in and out breath together. So in and out. That's the very first one. The next one, when you are ready, I like to call this one the comfort clasp. You take both hands, crisscross, index finger to pinky together, stick them underneath your armpits, and just hold your thumb straight ahead and press into those chest points that you're at. Those are lung points. Let's just hold it here for an in and out breath. In and out. And very last one. I find this one very comforting. I learned this one from Donna Eden's daughters, Titania and Dondi Dahlin. They call this the Spock hands technique. So this is the Spock hand position. You want to do this with both of your hands, and then you're going to put your ears in the center for both. And when I say center, you want to put them in the center, up, bring them to the very bottom between those two sets of fingers on both sides. I believe the way they did it too, they talked about putting the thumbs on your neck. I personally don't like doing that. I don't want to risk pressing down too much on my carotid arteries. So again, just in the center on both points. You can put your thumbs wherever you need them to be. I just stick them next to my hand on both sides. And let's once again just hold it here for one in and out breath. In and out. And that's it for this one. So again, when you're ready, you can stop. And another way to get rid of negative energy, anything you may have accidentally picked up on when you were doing this, just rub your hands together and shake them off. And I'm going to end here in the interest of time, but I hope that was helpful for you. And as I always say, I hope you didn't need it. And if you did, I'm sorry, but I really hope that helps. I'll be back in about a week. I hope you'll be back to visit me again as well. Thank you, as always, for your time. I really appreciate it. Peace and light. Namaste, and hope to see you again here soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.